Namaste everyone, and welcome back to our channel. As we celebrate the 76th Independence Day of India, it's a momentous occasion to reflect on our country's journey and envision its future. Today, we're diving into a topic close to our hearts, making India an eco-friendly nation. Join us as we explore how each of us can contribute to a greener, more sustainable India. Independence Day is a time of unity and pride for our nation. As we honor the sacrifices of our freedom fighters, let's also remember our responsibility towards preserving the environment they fought for. Becoming an eco-friendly country is not just a choice, it's a necessity. Climate change, pollution, and resource depletion impact us all. Let's take a moment to realize that the choices we make today shape the India of tomorrow. But how can we make a difference? It's simpler than you think. One of the most impactful ways to make India eco-friendly is by embracing renewable energy. From solar panels to wind turbines, renewable energy sources reduce our carbon footprint and pave the way to a sustainable future. Proper waste management is another crucial step. Segregate waste, recycle, and reduce single-use plastics. Remember, a clean India is a green India. Transportation is a significant contributor to pollution. Opt for public transport, carpooling, cycling, or walking whenever possible. Every small choice counts. Let's also remember that eco-friendliness extends to communities. Support local businesses, promote sustainable farming practices, and uplift rural areas. The Indian government is taking significant steps to create a greener India. From Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to National Solar Mission, these initiatives need our active participation. As we celebrate our country's independence, let's make a promise to be mindful of our environment, to reduce our carbon footprint, and to leave a better India for future generations. Remember, the journey towards an eco-friendly India begins with each one of us. By taking small steps, together we can build a sustainable and prosperous nation. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's spread the message of a greener India far and wide. Until next time, stay eco-conscious and take care.